Hi, this is T.H. Culhane from Solar Cities, and Inas Culhane is behind the camera. And we are at the end of the day testing the single solar hot water panel. There's still a compromised situation about where to position it. Obviously here at 5:30 p.m. that tree is shaded, this area, the complete thing is shaded, so we lose sunshine there. However, in the morning, it didn't get light here, sunlight here, until approximately 11:30. So probably this is going to turn out to be the best location. I was thinking that, but
I think
figure out what time the sun goes down there. Probably the compromise is probably right here, which gives a little bit more draw and length out to where the washing machine is, but at the same time, it gives us a little bit more sunlight. So we're compromised between the shading from that tree and the shading from those trees and the shed itself. However, to see at 5:30 after a good 5 to 6 hours, I guess you could call it 6 hours of sun today, with a single panel, which is 2 foot by 4 foot approximately of surface area. You can see here when I remove the insulating lid and I place the temperature monitor at the top, that the top layer is at 109 degrees Fahrenheit. 109, and then as we go down in the barrel to where the hot water is coming in, which is here, we're at 104 because there's no longer any thermosiphoning going on. There's no hot water.
I need to
There's
zoom
no
in.
hot water coming in here now because as soon as the sun
show the
shades,
temperature again.
104. As soon
Show
as,
it again.
Oh, I'd have to get this down like that. All right, so down in the ingress where the water comes in, we're down to 106. So we got 109 to 110 up at the top, and we got 106 where it was coming in. When we actually tested it an hour ago, when the sun was still shining and it was thermosiphoning, it was 143 Fahrenheit at the input point, enough to burn your finger. Now going down beneath that, it's only a few inches below when you hit the thermocline, and that it drops back down to 83. And that 83 is about here, to where the 83 starts. So it looks like we have a good warm bath barrel going down to, still stays at 100 up to here, which is here. So half the barrel gets up to 100 degrees in the amount of time we have sunlight in this location with one panel. That means that we should get to this weekend, when we get the second panel, we should get the entire barrel at 100 degrees with 5 to 6 hours of sunlight. If we have more sunlight, of course, it'll push over 100 degrees. But what's usually going to happen is, since we're taking our hot water for the diaper washing, for the cloth diapers we use, out of the top of the barrel, you'll probably have 100 down here, and you'll have 110 to 120, maybe even 130 up here, given that it's coming in at 143, because it tends to stack. So we use up the hot water first from the top, and that's why the hot water egress is here in this location, and the float that fills and stops it, there's like a toilet bowl float in here, will let more cold water in the bottom once we reach that level. So it's going to drain the hot and bring the toilet float level down. Then more cold water will come up and push the hot water out. So it is obviously working and working fine. It's not super hot.